अल्हम्दुलिल्लाहिल्लज़ी लम यज़ल आलिमन क़दीरन व सल्लल्लाहु अला सय्यिदिना व मौलाना मुहम्मद बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Hazrat Hatim al-Asam rahimahullah, he says that I saw the people, they had jealousy among themselves. They had got the envy, the ill will for their Muslim brothers. If one of them was blessed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala with great wealth, so other Muslims, they were jealous of them. They had got the ill will, the envy for them. So then I saw the commandment of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the words of the Holy Quran. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Holy Quran, نَحْنُ قَسَمْنَا بَيْنَهُمْ مَعِيشَتَهُمْ فِي الْحَيَاةِ الدُّنْيَا. That it is we who portion out their livelihood among them. So when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He distributes the wealth, He distributes, He divides what is and what is not given to one. When some wealth is taken back from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala from one Muslim or one person, it is not given in the, you can say, the destiny of the other. So then why we are jealous of others? We cannot take the rizq which is given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to one. So then why we should be jealous of others? So I learned from this verse of the Holy Quran that everything is given by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala distributes it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala portions out it. So then we should never be jealous of others. If he is granted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, if he is blessed by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, this wealth or this, you can say, the livelihood, this is just by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.